I saw you kiss her, I saw you stroking her hair, so familiar to me like a scene from an old film I watched last night on TV. Well, I was waiting for you to come home. Oh, now my heart is turned to stone. Where did our love go? Did I manifest my fear of losing you? Children, we cherish each treasure we found and pretend we were rich, but now our childhood memories have turned to dust in my hands. I want to kill that girl. Oh, now my heart is turned to stone. Where did our love go? Did I manifest my fear of losing you? Crawl into bed, I'd pretend I was sleeping. You'd stroke my hair and whisper to me, I am your king and you are my queen. There's no other love for me. One broken lock is all I have left to look back on our fairy tale, and when I am sleeping I dream every day I wake up wrapped in your arms again. Oh, now my heart is turned to stone. Where did our love go? Did I manifest my fear of losing you? Oh, now my heart is turned to stone. Where did our love go? Could I have recognized the signs of losing you? Thank you. It was just the other day when you said let's go away to some place we can be alone again. Then you called me up to say you can't do things that way. Oh, that's alright, that's just fine, let's do it again. What a day, what a day. It's been nice, let's kiss goodnight and do it again. See you walking down the street, smile your way but you don't see her. You're too preoccupied with what you're trying to be. Then you call me up to say you can't do things that way. Oh, that's alright, that's just fine, let's do it again. What a day, what a day. It's been nice, let's kiss goodnight and do it again. Now really, what is on your mind? Do you think I'll wait? Do you decide if you even care for me at all? Shall I just sit here and be true, waiting day in day out for you? That ain't no life, I'm not your wife, let's do it again. What a day, what a day. It's been nice, let's kiss goodnight and do it again. What a day, what a day. It's been nice, let's kiss goodnight and do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Thank you.
I've never had my back to the audience before. It's nothing personal.
It's very rude.
It is quite rude, yeah. Just, yeah, don't do any funny business, because I can't see you, so no wedgies.
We're Miss Maud's Folly. I don't know if I said that already. Thank you for listening. And this song is Oyeme. Estás buscando y tienes mi corazón. Estoy perdida porque me dices mentiras cuando te abrazo. Mi cariño, te amo, mi amor. mi corazón. ¿Quieres que diga? Yo te he dicho todos mis secretos. Estoy esperando que algún día te des cuenta de mí. Mi cariño, lo que digo en mí. Te amo, mi amor, pero tratas de herir mi corazón. Ya tienes mi corazón. Estoy esperando que algún día te des cuenta de mí. Mi cariño, te amo, mi amor, pero tratas de herir mi corazón. Oh, that was fun. Hello. Okay, this song is a new one. This is called Automaton.
Do it the way I normally do it.
G for this one, right? Automaton.
Yeah.
Your guess is as good as mine.
Sit here for hours, staring at nothing. Will my heart yearn for something more? Ooh. I'll die of ennui if I don't feel something. Anger or sadness is better than nothing at all. Stripped me bare, devoid of emotion, an automaton of pure devotion. Ooh. You fed me your dogma with dogged conviction. Now it rings in my ears with parasitic intention. Ooh. I used to feel, I used to smile and laugh and shout and cry and scream. I used to feel, I used to feel I sit like a doll at my own tea party, no other guests to keep me company. I talk to myself but no one's listening. Those earworms of yours are much too noisy. I used to feel, I used to smile and laugh and shout and cry and scream. I used to feel. Now when I try, there's not a flicker, not a glimmer, so it seems. I used to feel, I used to feel. I used to feel, 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 I used to feel. Thank you. I was obviously in a really good mood when I wrote that song. This song is, we're going to do a quick cover. This is called By Me a Bist Shane. It's an old Yiddish jazz song.
F minor on this one, man.
Wenn du sollst sein schwarz wie ein Toter, wenn du hast Eglach wie bei ein Kuter, und wenn du hingst zu Bislach, hast hilst der Neffes Lach, sag ich du, sagt mich nicht. Und wenn du hast ein närrischen Smeichel, und wenn du hast weiß es so sicher, wenn du bist wild wie ein Indianer, bist a vieler Galizianer, sag ich du, sagt mich nicht. Sag mir, wie erklärst du das? Wir sagen bald bei mir bist du schön, bei mir hast du Heim, bei mir bist du ein auf der Welt. Bei mir bist du Gied, bei mir hast du Eid, bei mir bist du teurer für Geld. Viel schöne Jüngler haben schon gebaut, nahmen wir und von sie alle ausgeklüben haben. Da bin du, bei mir bist du schön, bei mir hast du Heim, bei mir bist du ein auf der Welt. wist er een achter de bed. Bij mir wist de giet, bij mir hast niet. Bij mir wist de tijd van geld. Wir schöne Engel, oh wir schon gebaut, haben wir uns alle neues geklebt haben. Komm ich nach dich, bei mir bist du schön, bei mir hast du heim, bei mir bist du ein auf der Welt. I'm going to just take it down a peg or two. Just take it down a notch. Just get my breath back. Give me a sec. Okay, so now this one is a folky number. This is called Soft as Snow. I had a dream, I awoke in the sun was soft as snow. I looked to the skies, to the birds circling up above. I felt with my toes the warm sand, pushed my body down. I imagined you near, your touch making me feel warm. Oh, 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 rolls like the tide, our rhythm undulates and rides over the crest of a wave to a point of blinding light. And I've been here before with my arms draped around your neck. Now I explore the sense of what hasn't happened yet. Oh, oh, la 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 la. Had a dream, I awoke in sand as soft as snow. I looked to the skies, to the birds circling up above. Breathe in, breathe out, lay me down. Breathe in, breathe out, lay me down. Thank you.
Scares me every time I look around, you know. Not that you look frightening, you look wonderful, you know. It's just, you know.
Oh, he's so charming. They're not buying it, Sean. They don't believe you.
Yeah, I'm pretty short-sighted as well, I won't lie to you. I am quite short-sighted, but I'm sure you look wonderful.
Okay, this song is called Silent Movie. Yeah, it's a bit of a dark and scary story. Hope you enjoy it. As he led her down the railway track, fear was stalking at her back. She was scared. She was scared. And she did not know her way back home. Instead, she's out here all alone in the dark, without a friend. Faces loom in night shadow, strangers loom in street lamp glow like a thread, a terrible thread. As she dreams of home and lush green fields, she wonders if the scene is real, knows not where this night will end. A desperate clown with painted tears and tragic frown, and the crowd that follows at her back, a crimson sneer and tall black hair. The crook flashes his pearly whites, twirls his mustache into spikes, and he loves that terrible sound. A sudden flash of blinding light, she dashes off into the night, running where she knows not where. A desperate clown with painted tears and tragic frown, and the crowd that follows at her back, a crimson sneer and ragged hair. As the bells of the clock tower peal their tune, and idols rouge in blood red moon, just as death appears to claim his prize, a simple ending really sigh. As death follows in his long black cloak, bathed in an eerie, otherworldly glow, time unfolds. He's got his list, he's checked it twice, already knows who's naughty and nice. Shadows fall. Orpheus, heroine, protagonist of this tale, far from home, strangely pale, out of place. Will she ever escape? The end is up to you. Can you tell I study drama? Just for a while. But I like to use that song to, practice a little.
How much time we got left, you guys? Where's our magic man? Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to our wonderful sound technician this evening. He's here. He's doing a sterling job. A sterling job.
Was that 10 minutes? 2 hands.
No, that's 2 high fives. You're doing great. 2 high fives. Or that's, heel.
Okay. No lights?
Yeah, there's still no light. Okay. No light. D minor starting in G.
Searching for some comfort, but the walls that surround you are much too thin. There's no light in here, only the flicker from passing cars and the voices fill your head like empty thoughts. Dum dum da dum, la da dum da da dum, la da dum da da dum, la da dum. You're being wrong way around, just to alleviate the gloom. But the buildings that you pass by look the same. There's no smiling face, only the vacant moon as the shadows of your day creep away. Thanks. Okay, so how do you feel about some audience participation? So, it's just the one. The person who said, yeah, you can't walk away now. You just You're the only one. Okay, so this song is called Verona, and there's a chorus at the end. It's really simple, and just join in. And Eliza, you're leading the choir, okay? Times that we lived, but all the dreams that we missed, always looking at the words that we said, silently fell to the depths. Here's to the lovers we had, and all of the loves that went by. Expecting perfection, the heart's worn affection, embittered, it withered and bled. Oh, for a happy love song, where nothing ever goes wrong, where Romeo lives and Juliet gives birth to a son of Verona. You start singing now.